This conference will now be recorded.
Thank you, madam, for recording. But my apologies to all those friends who have not joined because you probably will not be able to get the previous discussions. All right, multicast. Is it mentioned in blueprint? Yes, it is mentioned. But why multicast? Multicast we did looked at into in RNS routing and switching. What is the use, guys? Multicast is going to be used for the purpose of a topic called VXLAN. So VXLAN does require multicast configuration, but why and what component of multicast? So there's a reason we will be dedicating one day on understanding the what is multicast, right, and the usage of multicast in VXLAN, and then in our topic called VXLAN, which will have this kind of topology, we will be talking about the topology, the terminologies, the lab. The most important part of the multi-VXLAN which we will be talking about is MPBGP VPN implementation of VXLAN. Well, I have been talking, let me know. Guys, feel absolutely free to interrupt me. Will not, your interruption, asking question in between will not be considered as an offense. Please get all your doubts, queries resolved. Since we do have less time, will not be able to probably tell you in detail, in depth. So feel absolutely free when it comes to. For the purpose of Nexus, different labs, we do use Cisco. You know what? The D Cloud. So wherein we have various labs provided to you over the course of our learning. We will be undergoing different labs to do hands-on onto the different technologies. ACI, the one big module which will take not less than 1 month of ours, because it is our zero to hero course. From basics to advanced, we will be completing our ACI with our advanced understanding on ACI multipod, ACI multi-site, multipod lab. We do not have, right? It is a big lab. I'm sorry for that. But each and every step of configuration, which is the CLI configuration plus ACI GUI based configuration, will be covered. We'll share the lab workbook. Yes, I do share the lab workbooks. ACI, a lot of things, so many labs. I have included more labs into it. This is L3 out. I have not mentioned, but there is L2 out lab as well. L2 out lab has got two variants. One is called expansion of EPG, other is called expansion of BD. What is the difference? I will tell you in the lab. Storage area networking, another very important topic, though we need not be, expectation from us is not to be the master of storage area networking, because in every organization there is a separate team managing storage area network. But storage area networking is very important for the purpose of next topic called unified computing system. This is, of course, there is another dedicated team for the purpose of unified computing system, but it is important as an integral part of the data center to understand the various components included, what are the purposes, how to create the connectivity. We will conclude our unified computing system with a brief introduction of hyperflex, and in the next topic we will do the hyperflex in sufficient details. Hyperflex is nothing but it is a name of a technology called hyper converged infrastructure. This is nothing but this is a combination of LAN, UCS, and SAN. When all these different technologies they merge together, it becomes hyper-converged infrastructure. So in order to understand hyper-converged infrastructure, we need to know LAN, UCS, and SAN. LAN is nothing but it is routing and switching. UCS and SAN is nothing but will be studying prior to this module. Python, as I said, I will be making it a module number 4. Not 4, 3, I'm sorry. Right? Python, what for? For network automation. Okay, all right. Material. Well, when it comes to material, I would like to present to you guys the stringnet.com site. Once you will enroll yourself, you will be requested to please sign up right to the site by giving your name, email, phone number, password, and confirm password, right? And then you just need to intimate us that yes, you have signed up. Once your account is activated, you can log in with your email ID and a password, and you can click submit, and you will be able to log in. And under your account, under my account, that time it will be your account, you will be able to see your courses. The courses allocated to you as on module wise basis. I will keep on assigning the courses to you. Once we are done with our Cisco Nexus, once we'll start our Cisco Nexus, which includes hardware, OS, BDC, VPC, I will make sure that this course is assigned to you. Then after Nexus, we will have our VPC over here. Okay, VPC will be there. So after this, we will talk about our VXLAN and our multicast. Multicast is also included over here, and so on and so on. For example, if you get assigned Cisco ACI, just giving you an example, you will have all the class videos available which you can watch prior to or after the class anytime. And each course will give you by default access of 40 hours to watch the videos. On your request wise basis, your access can be increased. Well, the module wise basis, 40 hours per module. So as more and more modules will come, your access will keep on increasing. You will be provided with the lab workbooks. You can download the lab workbooks. Unlike videos, you cannot download the videos. Lab workbooks are downloadable. You will be provided with extra additional study material. Some other study material, that is a reference material, are exceptionally brilliant and not available in normal public portals. And last but not the least important, the one of the most important tab is your feedback. Your feedbacks are nothing but the driving force, are the mirrors. So would request you people to keep on giving your feedbacks. Okay, any questions so far? This is about the material.
Total how many months, Ashish?
Total, this course will be spread across 3 months from the first module to the last module.
Okay.
Theory and lab sessions will go simultaneously.
Okay, the videos you're talking about, Ashish, is that videos of the day which we are following the same batch videos, or is a standard videos of each technology, the one which you're showing?
Those videos are going to be my previous class recordings given in my previous session, not of the live session which is there with you, but of course my previous recordings.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Ashish.
Yeah. Yes, we can learn through the videos also, but interaction will not be there. So the intention of live classes is to make the classes very much interactive. I never try to run fast. My classes are all driven at your speed. So my acceleration will be with you guys. Never let me go to the next topic unless and until you people are thoroughly clear about not only the next topic, but to the next slide even in the class. Okay, I'll tell you about the strategy once you people are ready about it. So study material, I have shown you about the study material. This is screenshot of the same, what we did. Punctuality, yes, nothing can be achieved without punctuality. So would appreciate you guys to be punctual. This is just my humble request. Our classes will be from Monday to Friday. There will be 2 batches which we will be starting. One batch will be 5:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. IST. Another batch will be 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. IST. You will be allowed to sit in any of the batch. Will form the group, but initially you have to show your interest and intention to join what particular batch you wish to, right? But in case if you, by the way, if you miss to join class in the morning, you can attend the same class in the evening. But evening, guys, probably they will not be able to enjoy this leverage because morning class will be how many hours? Say 10 hours ahead of the evening. In case if you feel you cannot join the evening batch, then you please let me know and you can come in the morning. Okay. Some of your questions, how many hours of lab practice are included? And the answer is unlimited. There is no limit. Lab will be available at your request 24/7, 365 days in a year across 1, 2, 3, 4 data center. Lab in the 5th data center, that is Australia, Sydney, is also coming up. What labs I'm talking about? Am I so rich to have the labs spread across 4 data centers? Guys, I'm rich by heart, and my richness is the secret of my richness is nothing but lies with Cisco. Cisco has provided us all something called D Cloud. It is just a matter of taking the benefit of this facility. So in case, and Nija, since you are in Cisco, so you should be having the access to, you know what, an advanced level access to Cisco D Cloud Lab, wherein you can book the lab. I do have my personal partner level access to D Cloud, right? Which is to empower you people. Yep, Nija.
Yep.
Yeah. So all you can check, Nija, if you have the access to the cloud portal will be undergoing maintenance from 3rd May, Tuesday. All right, fine. 12 to 3:15. I just wanted to show you that you guys currently have 1, 2, 3, 4. Same lab will be available across 4 different data centers. ANZ, Australia, and New Zealand is coming up soon. This is going to be the 5th data center in Sydney. So I'm not sure how much time Cisco is going to take to bring this. So in each data center, we can book n number of labs. N number doesn't mean that unlimited. N number means a specific limit, which I really do not know. But never faced any crunch in order to provide access to my dear friends. Right? Same lab can be provided, right? Twice, thrice, 4 times in a lab or more than that in a specific data center. Or if you wish to take the avail another lab in another data center, maybe near to your geographical location. Say if you are in India, the nearest is Singapore, APJ. If you are in Europe, nearest one is in London, EMEA region, and Russia. All right. So this is about the lab. Is bootcamp also included in this package? Answer is no. Bootcamp is not included in this package. So far, the CCIE Data Center Lab version 3.0 is still in a gray area. Why? Because Cisco, due to the COVID restriction, Cisco has not opened the lab yet. So it is still in a gray area. So, but no worries during the sessions. As I said, version 1.0, 2.0, and 2.1 lab questions will be discussed with you people. Well, some more questions from your side, if you have.
Yeah, Ashish, like in case if the lab gets open in the coming few months, right? Like then, like how it's being covered, the lab topics or whatever, the preparation required for the lab.
See, first of all, when it comes within those 3 months, which is very much unlikely, right? I will start, simplifying the questions. When it comes to simplifying the question means I will try to convert each and every question into a diagrammatic presentation. As I said, we'll try to understand the problem in each and every question. So, well, post that, I will explain you, we'll conduct a boot camp, right? Only for those candidates who have already covered the technology, not for anyone walk-in or coming on ad hoc basis. Definitely, for sure, I'm not going to entertain that. But for that, we need to have a clarity. We have to take out the version 3.0 from the gray area. So for that's the reason I'm not committing as of now. But I played a pivot role in version 2.1, right? Candidates. Offline, I can give you certain references. Those candidates, those friends of mine, they were in Cisco who cracked the exam first. So let's see, let this version 3.0 lab come out of from the gray area. We'll have more clarity for sure, and we'll share with you guys.
Okay, thank you. So, and I have one more question on the timings. Like, as far as I know, like, so morning batch, the timings they said like 5:30 to 7. I heard. Is there any change on that?
5:30 to 6:30 p.m. 6:30 a.m. Sorry, till 7 it will go as the demand of the lab says. So theoretically, for theory classes, it is 1 hour. For lab sessions, demonstrations, in case not able to wrap up, it will be 7. And any change, no change.
Okay, fine.
In the
Yeah,
morning
because
capacity.
I heard like it's 5:30 to 7, so I just wanted to clarify that point. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay,
7 o'clock in case if the lab gets stretched.
okay,
But I will
got
try
it.
to finish the class by 6:30, at max 6:45.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks, Ashish.
you're welcome, Neecha. Any other question, guys? In the
When we
classes,
are going
we
to
do.
start, Ashish, this batch?
Well, I am ready from today, not from today, from tomorrow. But our coordinator will give me the days. I have given my availability to the coordinator, but this is for sure that coming week we are going to start our batch.
Thank you.
Maybe
Thank you.
on Tuesday or Wednesday. I believe by Wednesday or Thursday we will be there. Right? Any other question? Last but not the least, I have prepared this presentation just to make sure, right, not to miss anything. And this I was about to miss. Your enrollment, your relationship with us is going to be a lifetime relationship, lifetime enrollment, which means as long as version 3.0 is there, you will be allowed to participate in the classes. morning, evening, n number of times, n number of theory sessions, n number of lab sessions. We will never say no to you participating in the sessions in the live classes. And this is not chargeable. All right, this is my last slide before saying thank you, merci beaucoup. Let me know if you still have any question. All right, so guys, I holistically believe in starting the session right on time and ending it right on time. My apologies once again because I was not able to unmute myself. I said 30 seconds and I took more than that. Well, I didn't know I was talking, but on mute. Okay, so our coordinator, Rion, will reach back to you. Please share your confirmation so that he will give me the date. Of course, the coming week, by Wednesday or Thursday, we are going to start. And once you confirm him, he will ask me to start the sessions and I will share the class links. And definitely we'll make a WhatsApp group where all of us, we will be there, and any intimation, etc., discussions, etc., we will be doing in our WhatsApp group. Right? Okay, guys, thank you very much, and hope to see you in our fresh batch starting this week, morning as well as in the evening. Up till then,
Thanks, Ashish.
please do. Thank you very much. Please do enjoy.
Thank you, Ashish.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you, Ashish. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Ashish. We will see you. We will meet you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye.